Franco suggests, oh, yes, so really. Me like a friend of you, and I used to watch shows until down the one, poor man, I can't take it. Now, Franklin is how many people know what therapy? This conference happened because Joe Freebie encouraged me to have a meeting on the high started. It is Franco. It's Franco really, and he said, the whole world treats others as that. But he said, look, there is a better way. There is a road less trouble. That is this meaning dimension. Meaning dimension. And the meaning dimension, I'm not talking to you. Okay, I'm saying yes. Better. The meaning dimension says that if you produce the meaningful results of if you do have anything meaningful, you will be empty. Now, meaning can be independent of success, right? Meaning means, for example, be a mother can be a very meaningful job. What level do you program? One question I ask is say, tell me what you have achieved in your life. Man say, oh, I'm not achieved. Woman say, I'm just a housewife. I said, well, being a housewife is the most honorable, demanding job that there is on earth. How about children? How children have? I have 7 children. How do you tell me what to say? Okay, you will achieve. Imagine bring up 7 children, and all the children are doing well. So this is a very, so like the whole conference, you ask a question, right? What makes you feel? It doesn't make you feel successful, big shot, right? But what makes you feel fulfilled? Here is the same thing. If you ask people, say, on this line, read yourself. Okay? How successful you are, they will say, anyway. So if you use the failure, you say, well, I'm a failure. I'm not doing very well financially, or academically, I don't do too well. But for meaning, I feel very meaningful. I'm serving the church, I'm active in the community center, and I help people. So I feel my life is very meaningful. So he would be living a sacrificial life, right? He's not successful in the world, on the world standard, but he lived a meaningful life. Now, many people who are the life and soul of this world are not as successful in the world. But they live a life of goodness. So that is very honorable and beneficial for other people. In fact, that is the key element for meaningful life. If you choose something really, really matter, you're willing to sacrifice. If you're not willing to sacrifice for something really matter to you, that means that doesn't really matter to you. Right? If it really matter to you, you will want to sacrifice. So as a life is honorable life. Of course, ideal life is that you're both meaningful and necessary, but not too many people are so good. So that is an interesting test. First of all, one line to see, where are you? You can join the points where they are. If they are here, they do shadow that. Drinking, dancing, gambling, party, it's a shadow that. If you live a shadow life, might feel very happy, but they may be bored. And here's the good life. So you only have one life, there's no meaning, no success, then you wake life. So you better wake up. So this is a very interesting test. So why do you raise up? To show them this, okay, just relax. Here is now the first test is called life orientation test. And here, let's ask a question, okay? Like question 8. Oh, the first one. Okay. Now, I would rather be happy than accepting. Okay. Now, how do people prefer to be happy faith? We also all of that. I don't mind. No, I mean, we never think before, you know. Before everything to eat and sleep and live in it. And calculation. And you work so much and baby fitness. So you're living at the same level. Then we should be operating at the most instinctive animal life level. But human beings are meant to be more than animals, right? So we adopt this great capacity to think, to imagine, to create. So we're not creating our way like animals that are fake, right? So another question will be number 10. Personal happiness and success are more important to me than achieving inner goodness or rest. I think the most people in many China will say yes. Money is very important. And in Canada, the same thing. Most people say money is what I want. That's happy. If that is mentality, the Western civilization is good. Then the future, the result is, if you have the mentality of personal success and failure, the more the better, regardless how you affect other people. Then the future, because the gap between the have and have not is bigger and bigger. That create instability and create hostility, create animosity, create conflict. So actually, the world is worse off when more and more power, money, will concentrate in field. So an alternative way, a meaningful way, we should do about to live good life is to live out the inner goodness, right? Happiness and teachers, but goodness is all action will generate to